Hello friends, today's topic demonetization after 7 years bumper returns in stocks. I am Dr. Bharat Chandra. The purpose of the video is service to society. Demonetization happened on 8th November 2016, exactly 7 years back. It was a huge shock for the citizens of the country as well as for the stock markets. Although the objectives of demonetization were good, stock market perceived them to be negative in short term. The next day, on 9th November 2016, Nifty fell up to 6% intraday but finally closed only 1.3% lower. Most of the individual stocks also reacted in a similar way. Overall, some sectors have specifically benefited from demonetization, whereas some sectors have not still recovered fully. But most good companies have done well in spite of the big jolt. We have compared the prices of 45 random stocks of Nifty 50, Nifty Next 50 and Nifty Mid Cap before demonetization was announced and today's price. In fact, the returns would have been higher if the price after demonetization was considered. Please note that all stock prices are adjusted for subsequent bonus and split. Now, the first list is comparison of stocks price before demonetization versus today Nifty 50. Asian Paint price on 8th November 2016 1057, price on 8th November 2023 3080, CAGR 16.5%. Axis Bank 11%, Bajaj Auto 9.5% improvement, Bajaj Finance 33.6%, Bajaj Financial Services 26.3%, Divi's Lab 16%, Eicher Motors 5.5%, HDFC Bank price on 8th November 2016 627, price on 8th November 2023 1491, CAGR 13.2, Infosys 16.2% improvement, JSW 24.1 CAGR for the last 7 years, Kotak Mahindra Bank 11.5% CAGR, Maruti Suzuki 8.9, TCS 16.8, Titan 36.7% CAGR for the last 7 years, Ultratech Cement 11.9%. Now going to the second list, comparison of stock prices before demonetization versus today, Nifty Next 50 stocks. Abbott India price on 8th November 2016 47.49, price on 8th November 2023 24,150, CAGR appreciation in 7 years every year 26.2, ACC 3%, Adani Enterprises 79.8%, Ambuja Cement 8%, Berger Paints 16.1%, Bosch minus 1.4%, Canara Bank 4.2%, Dabur 8.8%, DLF 22.6%, Havells India 18%, Marico, for example, price on 8th November 2016 was 260. Now, price on 8th November 2023, 519, CAGR of 10.4 in last 7 years, Muthoot Finance 20.3, Pidilite Industries 20, Siemens 17.2, Varun Beverages 47. Now, here is an announcement regarding a webinar, Learn Stock Markets from Scratch, Saturday 11th November 7 p.m. to 9:15 p.m. Cost of the master class for the first 75 participants is 199. After that, it costs 499. And the seats are limited to the first 150. And you know, when Dr. Bharat Chandra's webinars are there, they are almost always jam-packed. And only 150 people on first come first serve basis will be accommodated. Dr. Bharat Chandra graduates need not attend this particular webinar. What are you going to learn in this webinar? First is how profitable stock markets are in the long term and short term. Because large number of people have no idea that the stock markets could be profitable. They think stock market means loss. On a long term basis, you can make money, and short term basis also you can make money, provided you know all about stock market. And then top stock market myths. Many people think that long term will be not profitable, short term in the morning you put some money, evening you sell it, that will make profits. It is wrong. At the same time, many people think that IPOs are profitable. It need not be so. Basic fundamental analysis by which you can invest for 1, 5, 10, 15, 25 years and make huge amount of money, and you can make your children education, marriage, retirement corpus entirely free as a passive income, and basic technical analysis in order to make sure that you can earn some 10, 20, 30,000 extra in a month. Now, how to register? Click on the link in the description box and read the full details and register using the register button. You will get the webinar link within 1 day after payment. Now coming to the last list, Nifty mid cap stock price before demonetization and today. Apollo Tyres price on 8th November 2016 198, price on 8th November 2023 408, and last 7 years it has given 10.9% CAGR. Ashok Leyland 9.4%, Astral 38.7%, Balkrishna Industries 26.4%, Bata India 18.9%, Biocon 6.2%, Godrej Properties 25.7%, L&T Technology Services 27.5%, MRF 11%, Max Financial 7.3%, SRF 31.4%, Trent 43.2%, TVS Motors 22.7%, United Breweries 8.3%, Voltas 12.6%. Irrespective of the negative effects demonetization may had in the short term, in the long term, most of the good stocks are given decent to good returns. Only a few companies given negative or low returns due to factors specific to the company or sector. This also shows that if the overall fundamentals of India and specific companies are good, stocks will surely give good returns in the long term. Many events will cause a lot of fear in investors' minds and will have short-term impact, but it will seem like the end of the world at that time. There may be war, additional taxation by government, political instability, interest rate hikes, etc. In fact, 7 years is not a long period when stock market's returns are concerned. 10, 20 years or more will show the real compounding of investment in stock markets. At the end of the video, here is a question to check your general knowledge. What is the percentage of tax on dividend received from Indian companies? There are 4 choices: flat 15%, flat 10%, as per income tax slab, and D is not taxable. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharat Chandra, Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.